will know what we're about to do. And that's a pretty important thing when it comes to safety, right? So give it 2 toots. Toot toot. That means we're rolling forward. We're about to go forward to the next station. Give it 3 toots. That means we're about to back up. We want everyone back there to know we're backing up. So give it 1 toot, one short one. That was almost an emergency toot. A little bit longer and that's emergency, but real short one means
short.
Stop.
There you go.
That's just kind of reminding the conductor we're stopped. And then give 4 short ones. That's a call for the conductor to come to the cab. We're confused about something. We need to get some more information. That's what that is.